Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making bacon cheeseburger meatballs in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cosori 5.8 quart. These are so simple and easy to do, so let's go ahead and get started. I have all my bacon done. It is nice and crispy. What I'm doing here is just crumbling it up. You can use a knife or just use your hands like I am. Okay, we are ready to get started on our meatballs. We are going to need 1 pound of ground beef. I am using 85% lean. Get that into our bowl. I'm going to break this up just a little bit. Today for the seasoning for the meatballs that I am going to use is rub some burger. Some of you know I love this stuff. Not only is it flavorful, it gives off a nice color to the meat. You can season this up however you want. But if you're interested in this, if I can find it on Amazon, I'll leave a link down below in the description for you. I'm going to put in about 1.5 teaspoons. I have 1 egg that I slightly beaten. Pour that in. I have 1/3 cup of ketchup. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. And the 10 slices of crispy crumbled bacon. And finally, I have 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese that I have shredded. Now the fun part, getting this all mixed together well. You know, if you wanted to, instead of adding 1/3 cup of ketchup, you can go with barbecue sauce. That would be good as well. We are now ready to form our meatballs. I have a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop here. I'm gonna scoop some of this up, nice heaping amount, and simply, as you know, roll it into a ball. All right, I will finish these up and we'll pop them into the air fryer. Okay, I was able to get 14 meatballs into the air fryer basket. I have this much left over yet to do. So for now, let's go ahead and pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to leave it at 15 minutes. I'm going to check these about 10 to 12 minutes in and see how we are doing. While I'm waiting for these meatballs to finish up, I sliced up some of these petite dill pickles. We are going to place a slice on each meatball when they finish up. Okay, we are about 8 minutes in. Look at these. They smell so good. I'm just going to give these a little shake to move them around a little bit, and then I'm going to pop them back into the air fryer. I really don't think this is going to take the total 15 minutes. I will let you know exactly how long these took. All right, we are good. This took 12 minutes. I took these out of the air fryer, let them rest for about 5 minutes on some paper towels. Now I'll just put these on our plate. We're going to take the pickles that we sliced earlier, put one on top here. I have a little grape tomato, put that on top, take my toothpick. And there is our bacon cheeseburger meatballs. I will finish these up real quick and we'll take a taste. I am ready to take a taste. I just have some of this Hellmann's classic burger sauce here. I still have the rest of my meatballs to make right here. I will let you know how many this recipe made. Grab one of these. Tastes like a bacon cheeseburger without the bun. Got a piece of that bacon. Delicious. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more I think you would like to check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.